Hi guys, welcome to another video. I'm Jay Roberts. This is Make Money with Video, and today's video we are going to look at video animation apps or video template apps, whichever way you want to look at it. I'm going to put it on the big screen so you don't have to look at my ugly mug. And this is my channel. I create videos uploading to different social medias about how to make money with video. I test out different video creation apps, testing them out, see which ones are good, see which are worth it and that. Now, let's get into it, guys. I use all these apps that I'm going to show you. Some of them I've got discounts for, so if you want to check out the links in the description afterwards, feel free. And the first thing, guys, is Renderforest. Now, I really like this app. You can make logos, create videos, mock-ups, websites, graphics, you name it, guys. But we're just looking at the animation part today, like the video templates, the bits where you don't have to show your face, you don't have to speak on camera. You can just upload the video, the templates, what they've already created for you guys. You just upload the logo, the description, and away you go, guys. Now, I like this one because look at this 3D toolkit that you can get here. It's quite cool. 3D costs quite a lot of money. You've got your logo reveals. You've got your explainer videos, whiteboards. This has got quite a lot of stuff on it, guys. More logos. You've got your type, your text, guys. I can't say the word. Typography, whatever you call it. I normally can say it, guys. Yeah, you got your mobile apps, you got your quick logos, more explainers, you name it, guys. You've got quite a lot of different templates here, guys. And it's actually one of the first ones I ever used on my YouTube channel. And moving on to the next one, guys, we'll just have a look at, we'll look at them and then we'll look at the prices, guys. Next one, guys, is Animaker. This is quite new for me. It's been around a lot. I've just signed up for use some of the templates. But in terms of all the different ones what you got at Renderforest, they've not got as many on here, but they have got quite some good ones. For instance, this Star Wars one, I used this template earlier, Star Wars Day. You've got like your 2D flat characters. Like you've got your explainer videos. You can preview all these, you can change them. And they make quite a lot, like your wedding invites, your birthday templates, Christmas templates, baby shower. Then you've got your Instagram and Square videos, intros and outros for your videos. So feel free to check them out, guys. The next one is Powtoon. Now, this is another new one. I'm not really played around with it as much as the other ones, but from what I can see, you've got like your explainer videos, you've got your listicle videos. I'm not sure if you can do logos and that, but these are more like your explainer ones. So not a lot to say about it because I'm not really sure. But check it out, guys. Another one, guys, is the new one called Video Creator. Now, I do like this one a lot. This is one, basically, it's got everything you can possibly think of all in one. Like you got your scroll stoppers, and then you can come and check these out, guys. I'm not going to play the videos because I don't want this video to go on forever. You've got your corporate commercial show reels. You've got your motion trackers. You've got your video flip books, which I like. I'll be using this quite a lot. E-commerce videos, like your products and advertisements like that. You've got your 3D animation show reels. You've got your real estate show reels. Local business videos. Your Facebook and Instagram stories show reel, neon signs, quite cool. You've got your special events, and like on the other one, you've got your wedding invitations, you've got your birthday invites and stuff like that. Well, you've got these on here as well. You've got your video ads, which are popular on Facebook. You've got your promo show reel, intros, marketing commercials, health, wellness, food, Facebook covers, fashion and style, explainer video show reel, coronavirus show reel, and I'm sure they've got other ones as well, guys. Let me see. Oh yeah, you've got your That's what we're looking for. Your scroll stoppers, guys. It's where like it's 3D and it's coming out of the screen. Now, another one, and you know I use this a lot, it's called Invideo. These have got, you can upload templates, text, video, and blank canvas, but we're looking at the templates today, the animation ones. You've got your recently added, another one I used today, May the 4th. You got your logos, you got your intros and logo reveals. You got your video ads, like I said, popular for Facebook, your slideshows, your business presentations, invites and wishes, offers and discounts, video collages, webinar promos, quote videos, video testimonials, which is quite handy. You offer these to businesses. They all like seeing what the customers think about themselves. Product video ads, you got your brand essentials, logo formats, branding templates, bite-size ads, COVID, greetings, listicles, you name it, guys. They've got quite a lot on there. And I've got a discount for this, which I'll show you in a bit. Now, another one, guys, is what I use a lot, and I like it a lot. It's called Create Studio. It's 3D. It's always updating. The characters look like they're out of a Pixar movie. And they do quite a lot of different ones as well, guys. You've got your promotional videos. You've got your 3D explainer videos. Your doodle sketch videos. Stomp teasers. Gorgeous character explainers. Text animations. Photographer and like your local businesses and stuff like that. You've got logo intros and outros. 2D explainer videos. YouTube graphics. And you can do things like your whiteboard and that, guys. And if you can hear that noise, guys, it's because it's hailstoning and it's gone nothing but hailstone all day and it's hitting the window. So I apologize in advance. Now we're going to go back to Renderforest and look at the prices, guys. Yeah, if you can still hear me. Now we'll look at the monthly because it gives you, if you're on monthly, guys, you can cancel anytime, can't you? So they've got a free offer, but you can only download them at 360, which the graphics isn't that good, guys. If you want, I don't think you can sell them at this price either. I think you can only sell them on the agency price. So you can use them for your own personal use, but all these different packs you can't use. You can't sell them to other people, guys. But the one they recommend is the Pro version, and you don't put watermark. You won't get a watermark on them, which is what you want, and that's $49, guys. But let's have a look at the agency. The agency is $39 a month. 39. Call it £40, guys. It's in English, yeah. So £40 for a month, but you've got to pay up front like for a full year, yeah. So quite expensive. Let's move on. But like I said, Renderforest has got quite a lot, and it looks good as well. Your Animaker. Let's go to pricing. We'll go to monthly again, guys, and their recommended one is this is $79 a month, guys. The cheapest is $20 a month, and you're allowed to download 5 a month on that package, 20 a month on that one. So let's move on to the next one, guys. Powtoon. Let's have a look at pricing. This out of the lot, guys, I'd reckon this one is probably the worst. I would stay away from it if I were you. So the package they recommend is the Pro Plus, which is $197 a month. Now, if you can afford that, then I would definitely go to it, like your Renderforest and stuff like that, and get those, because you get a lot more for your money, and you don't just do the video templates. You can have the websites and all that, guys. So yeah, this is $197 a month or $89 a month, and again, you can only have 5 on the $89 a month. You can only have 5 premium exports, guys. Quite expensive, if you ask me. Now, this one, Video Creator, which is a new one, and I love it, guys. If you just come and look at the videos they can make, just watch the videos, they're awesome. I've got a one-time only payment, which, if I remember correctly, they've got an $18 knocked off the price. So let me just find the price. Right at the bottom. Yeah, so they only have one offer. It's a Video Creator commercial license, which means you can sell these to other companies, guys. and it's $67 a one-time fee, guys. That is it, $67. But they've also got a coupon for $18 off, so you get this for $49. So 67 minus 18, $49. Yeah, so $49, guys, one-off payment, and you can get all these different videos, guys. You can create your heart's content, guys. It looks brilliant. It is brilliant, guys. Like I said, I use all these. Feel free to come over. I've got links in the description. And next one, guys, is Invideo. I use this one all the time. I've switched it to monthly. Now this one, it says it's for the business one. It's free forever if you want to use it, guys. Just sign up. It's free, but you'll have watermarks on it. You've only got so many templates, and you're limited to 15-minute video duration. If you want to subscribe to it for $30 a month, you can do. That's the business one. You get everything in the free plan. You get lots more templates, lots more media. You'll add up to 60 videos a month, and you can remove the background credits as well, guys. But like I said, guys, if you want to go to the limited one where you don't have any restrictions, it's $60 a month. But I've got a deal for you guys, and you can get this for 25% off. So whichever plan you want to choose, guys, I've got 25% off, which is cool. Now, the last one is Create Studio, which, let's look at their pricing. If I remember correctly, it's $99 a month, guys. Well, I've got, yeah, $99 a year. Sorry, not a month. $99 a year, which you get just a standard license, guys. If you want, they upgrade it every month with lots more characters, lots more templates, but that costs an extra bit of money, guys. So they're charging $299 a year for that one, guys. But I have got another offer with this, guys. You can get it instead of paying $99 a year for the standard package. I can give it you today for $67, which means you're saving $33, but you don't have to pay every single year because it's yours for as long as you use it. And not only that, guys, you get all these cool videos. You can change them into square, into vertical. You got your scroll stoppers. You name it, guys, you've got it. So that is it, guys. I've just shown you 6 different video creation apps, video animation apps, and they're all different prices, obviously, different. You get some better videos than the others, so it's up to you if you want to try them out. Some are free for tryouts, some have got limitations, some are really not worth the time, if you ask me. But it's up to you guys. I will put the links to every single one of these in the description. If you want to check them out, feel free. If you want to sign up, let me know which one you're going to sign up for, so I can help you if you need any help. So that being said, guys, I'm going to stop this video because it's been going on long enough. I'm sure you don't want to listen to me any longer. So I'm Jay Roberts. This is Make Money with Video. Until next time.